I found a product making $100 a day, and you're never gonna guess what it is. You ready for this? It's calendars. Yes, in the middle of April, right now, it's still making $100 a day, as long as you know how to position this correctly. So let's jump right into this, so I can show you how to make some money. All right, jumping on Etsy here, as you can see, there's a couple different options. And you would assume that being that Mother's Day and Father's Day is like right around the corner, people would be doing that, which you still can. But for this, if you notice, Hunks and Hens is one of the top ones, which is actually pretty funny, and I will show you how to make this later. But you have National Park Monsters, Legends, Great American Road Trips, this colorful one here, some crazy looking cat designs, all these different options, even pooping pooches, which is kind of weird, but I mean, they have a million views, okay? With this being said, breaking this down using Everbee, the amount of money that these are making, even right now, is just crazy. So just going into their pooping pooches, has 53,000 sales over 138 months. This one right here, Nature's Butt, yeah, it's different type of styles of like rocks and peaches and strawberries and things like that that look like booties. That right there, 1,000 sales in 5 months. This one right here, just colorful. It's just colors, that's it. Right? $879, 8 months. This one, the national parks, $963 in 7 months. And this is the crazy part. They're making money right now, like I said earlier. So if I click on here and analyze it, using Everbee, you can see 131 sales this past month. And then this one right here, the colorful one, that's pretty easy to make, 144 sales in the past month right there. Has not had a single day where it has missed a sale. Now, this is the crazy part. It's selling for $22.09 and the shipping is $7. That means for a basic one, Sunday Start, 8.5 by 11, just a normal calendar, just like this, is making bank. Literally $139 every single day. Now, I was so impressed with Gelato when I ordered their wall art that I wanted to take a chance with the calendar, because the last time that I ordered a calendar from a POD partner, it came in a poly mailer and USPS literally just curved it and shoved it in my mailbox. The thing was wrinkled, it was destroyed, and if I was a consumer, I would have been upset. So I took a risk, took a chance, went with Gelato again, and I will tell you right now, I was super impressed. The thing came in an actual box. Look at this picture. It was laid right out in front of my doorstep because it was too big to fit in my mailbox. That right there impressed me because, like I said earlier, I've only had issues with this from other people. But another thing that I liked was actually the process in creating this. So let me show you this really quick. So jumping in here, all I had to do is just click calendars and you have these two options right here. As you can see, it starts at 703, 527 if I have Gelato Plus, which I do not currently have, but might be getting it because I am testing a lot of different products here. So with this being said, you have a couple different options. You have vertical and horizontal. As you can see, it changes with the way it looks. You have a 5.5 by 16.5, which is pretty crazy. Look at the size of this thing. It's super long. Or you have an 8.5 by 11, which is exactly the one I purchased here. And you also have the Ledger, which is 11 by 16.5. That's kind of a little bigger. Now, even with all these different sizes, you can see that the price point's still pretty good. This is a 1011, this one here is 791, and this one here is 703. Now, being as that I went with this one here at 791, if you really calculate that cost, remember the other company, they're charging $29. Think about the margins there that you're making, all right? Now, I wanna show you the one that I made because I'm pretty proud of what we created here. My wife actually took our animals, so we have the kitties and we have the bunnies, took them together and made our own personal calendar. So jumping into ChatGPT, you can see this is hers. You know, it's pink, of course, but she took all the animals, all right, and she just asked it to make a calendar. So it made all these different calendars. Then she started breaking this down with the actual dates to see what they would look like. That's January. This is Valentine's Day. Obviously, we know what day this one is. You have Easter, right? You have this one right there. And I love all the different styles that she made. This one's super funny. Definitely, this is like a June shopping type of thing, right? But if you are curious on how to make stuff like this, I actually made a video on how to make 25 different characters. So if you did want to go into something like this with doing different people or pets or something of that nature, then check out that video. I'll make sure that I leave the link in the description. But jumping into Gelato, you can see how easy this was, right? I just took that. This is the cover. This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I mean, everybody knows Tiger. Everybody loves Tiger. Unfortunately, she's not with me for this video, but you can see she's just skiing down the slopes and having a great time. So I want to show you two different things here. As we noticed when we were coming through here, you probably saw this Hunkin' Hens. That was the first one there. And I know that attracted a lot of people because you were curious like, what could I do? So I actually created a prompt for this to kind of mess with it. Now, I didn't do hens, I did kitties, but you can do something similar to this if you wanted to make some sales, since this one does make some money, and you can make that again all year round like that other one. So if I went into MidJourney, I created a rugged shirtless man, muscular build, sitting in a dirty and rustic room, and he has little cats all around him. So all of these different options that I can literally put into a calendar and just put that in there, throw that on Etsy, there we go. Now I'm making some money, all right? Or we can just create our own right from scratch, like that colorful one that is making $100 a day. All I'd have to do is just click create order, select which one I want. So say I did this one over here. All right, now you can mess with this right here. See how I can change these pictures. So this is where I can put that, you know, the hunk or the nature's bud or anything like that. Or I can actually just keep this long one if I wanted to. And you can change all this around. Any one of these, see how that changes it? All right, so say if I do this one here, see how that changes how that looks. As I click through here, look at all these different styles you have, okay? Make the whole thing black if I wanted to. All right, I could change the color completely like that other one that was selling the colors, but you can also just take this and you can actually create the different things on here. So say if I wanted to create graphics for maybe Mother's Day, right? I can create different graphics. I can put little flowers on here, mess around with it, you know, do whatever I want, all right? Put a little heart, put a little pictures, whatever I wanted to do. Obviously, this is not something that you probably would put all over your place, but I do like that you have the different options that I'd be able to set to anything I wanted to, you know, for say February. Now, clearly this tree right here probably won't work, but I want you to take that creativeness of the different graphics that you can add to this. I want you to add the different colors. I definitely want you to add the different styles, because this right here is really where the game changer is, okay? Having these different things like this. Also, you can change the language, all right? So say if you want to sell this in German or if you want to sell this in French, you can easily do that. That is really a game changer, because now you have the availability to add more and different options. Now, as you're adding these different things, just gonna take these out here. I'm just gonna add this in here just so that that's in there, right there, okay? Got Lulu and Tiger right here rocking some money. Obviously, this is Tiger smoking a cigar, has the money. Lulu screaming as usual, all right? But again, going back into here with all the different options that you have, if I click on layouts, I can actually choose all these different layouts as well. So say if I wanted to do a Mother's Day one, because Mother's Day and Father's Day is right around the corner. I can literally take everybody's picture and put that in there if I wanted to. I can have a different, you know, collages and have that as an option. I do love that. You can have the different shapes, you can have the different graphics like I showed just before, but really the big thing here is just to mess around with this and have all these different options that you can choose from in order to make yours unique. Now, I don't want you to think like crazy outside the box. I need to do this so unique that it's gonna really blow me off the map, right? So just going back, and I just wanna rewind this back again, okay? Going back into this one that's just colorful. If I scroll down and look at their reviews, look, what is it? It's literally this calendar right here, just colorful, and just has the word Feb on it, all right? Nothing crazy, 100 a day. Now, obviously, I do not want you to copy their exact style, but I want you to think that it's much simpler than what you really are going after, like the nature's butt, or the pooping pooches, or the hunks, right? The hunks holding hens. Again, just like I showed you with the MidJourney, you could do that using cats, you could do that using dogs, you can do that with really anything, because that's the power of AI. Now, I know that this is more of a shorter video. I'm not going into extreme detail here on every single aspect, and that's because calendars are very unique. The best way to get out there is to do a couple different ones, watch the data, see what's working, see what's not, and then focus on those, get rid of the ones that are not selling. And if you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment below, let me help you, or join E365, which is only $7 a month and has a 35-hour course on how to get your store on the right track for success. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.